Okay, well, welcome to Systems of Linear Inequalities Word Problems. So what we're going to do from our essential question is we're going to formulate a system of linear inequalities. That means we're going to write from the word problem, the mathematical statements. So here's a few things that you've probably forgotten from Algebra 1. A little bit about inequalities. The less than sign means that you shade below the line, and it's a dashed line. Less than equal to is below and solid. Greater than's above the dashed line, and greater than equal to is above the solid. So let's dive right into this. All right, so I'm going to start reading. We got Nutters and Others Incorporated, and they advertise boxes containing both walnuts and almonds. Okay, so we need some kind of variables. So I'm going to call walnuts X and almonds Y. And we're probably looking at how many pounds of each of these. So my first equation, the walnuts cost $2.75 a pound. And the almonds are $2 a pound. And then we have some boxes. Boxes can hold no more than 5 pounds of nuts. And then we got Nutters and Others wants to keep the cost of these boxes under $12. So now we need to do our inequalities. I'm going to read through here again. We have 2 different types of nuts, and we can't have more than 5 pounds of them in a box. Well, what type of nuts do we have? We have walnuts and we have almonds, and they cannot be, so they have to be smaller than or equal to 5 pounds. So no more than that. Then I go look a little bit more. Almonds are $2 a pound, and walnuts are $2.75 a pound, and we want to keep our cost under $12. So $2 for an almond. I'm sorry, go backwards. $2.75 for a walnut, plus $2 for an almond, and we want under $12, so under $12. I didn't say up to $12, it says under it, so it can't go and even equal $12. Well, look at that. We have 2 inequalities, 2 equations. Well, inequalities are like an equation except they have an inequality sign, and our 2 variables, x and y. We have formulated our system of linear inequalities. Let's try another one. So we got a produce manager who's at Mini Market, and he says he must order more than 175 pounds of apples and oranges to keep up with customer demand. But his maximum budget is $150. And if the wholesale cost of apples is 90 cents a pound and oranges is 60 cents a pound, we need a system of inequalities that can show how much apples and oranges this guy's got to order each week. So our first thought is he must order more than 175 pounds of apples and oranges. So I'm going to go ahead and label these. Apples are X and oranges are Y. So he can have apples and oranges, and he has to have more than 175 pounds. Now I'm going to read a little bit more. And it says we have a maximum budget of $150. Apples are 90 cents. So 90 cents an apple. Oranges are 60 cents. 60 cents an orange. And our maximum budget, so we have to spend less than or equal to $150. Well, look at that. We have our two inequalities. Our apples plus our oranges have to be more than 175 pounds. And then we have our cost of 90 cents an apple and 60 cents an orange. It's got to be less than $150. Now, in your interactive notebook, that's the left side of your page, you've been taking your notes over there on the right side, you're going to work this word problem. We got Ellie here. She's got a couple of jobs. One's as a server. The other one is editing poetry. And she wants to be able to pay her cell phone bill, but she can only work so many hours a week. So you're going to make the inequality that is going to describe her situation. Good luck.